Okay, this is the first startup of this bike. It's absolutely stone cold. I've hooked up the remote fuel bottle. I'm just putting the fuel into it now. There we go. Choke on. Get that out of the way. Oh, I've blocked off the vacuum pipe as well, which is quite important. Even though it doesn't want to stay out of the way. Oh well. Choke. Tick over up. Take this out of here. Thousand revs, stone cold. You can hear how tight that is. How clean those exhausts are. That's just to prove it has not been started before. This is the first startup. And those carbs don't sound a million miles out. Maybe the left cylinder is running a little bit more, a little bit faster than the rest. I'll soon balance those out. And as I say, stone cold. Hope you enjoyed that.